Need to update your business info on Walmart Seller Center? I'll show you how to do it in today's video. So first, check it out. People can see your company's info on Walmart. So you can see right now there's a seller. You can see it's sold by Shazar USA. You just right click on the name and then it literally shows all of his products, but not only that, the address, the phone number. You can contact them, their name, about the store, the business name. It literally shows us everything about them. So that's the same on your profile. So you might want to change it. You're going to log into Walmart Seller Center just like this. You're going to go into that upper right hand corner and click on the cog icon, which is the settings icon. Then it's going to take you to this page, right? So you're going to see my profile. What you're going to do is scroll down and click on business information right here. This is the first thing you're going to want to update, right? So it's going to look just like this, and you're going to click edit business details. Now, before you do this, it may trigger a Walmart review where Walmart's going to ask you to submit your IRS forms and some other forms for proof. So just be aware of that. If you don't want to go through the pain of Walmart trying to verify your info, then don't do this. But this is one way to do it. You click edit business details and you're going to edit all your business details. Another thing that you're going to do is you're going to click on company info. So click on company info and it literally says right here, these details will be visible on your profile for customers on Walmart website. So pretty much that's exactly what I showed at the beginning of the video. You're going to click manage, add your logo, banner about your business, right? And then you can click manage right here and then change your information up so everything looks, and this is what's going to be displayed here. So those are the two different ways to change it. So I recommend to do both. Just be aware that the first way, the business information page that I showed you, again, this one is more serious. So if you click edit business details and you edit it, Walmart may do a review. So just make sure everything is legit, everything adds up, and you have the documentation for it. But that's it for today's video. Have you ever run into issues updating your business info on Walmart Seller Center? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, listing quality score, converting listings to WFS, advertising, and of course, increasing your sales. The benefit of this service is you can spend less time working in your business and more time being a business owner and working on your business. We're going to be doing the daily day-to-day tasks, making sure you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.